Hello and welcome back to Mr. CL. Today we're gonna learn about the tolerances on the basis of working with metal, so machining, and how we can translate it into the 3D printing. As this video is focusing on the fits between the shafts and the holes. There are multiple fits. First one is a clearance fit, transition fit, and interference fit, and their relative description, such as loose running fit as we can see on the top, free running feet, close running feet, etc. The part that we are really interested in is the table. So as you can see here, we have a basic size in millimeters, so 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. We have our limits of tolerances in mix and max, and for now, let's just take a look at the loose running. So it is H11, C11, whole shaft fit, as we can see on the top. Those are the numbers in this exact order. So for 1 millimeter, we would have on a max 1.06 millimeter diameter hole with a shaft of 0.94 millimeter as a maximum dimension, and the fit between them will be 0.180 millimeters. This is exactly how we can read this table. And to not lose it, I recommend you to subscribe and save this video. Now we're moving on to 3D printing. As a rule of thumb, we just want to have maximum fit. So the third number, you take this maximum fit and you multiply it by 2, and it will generally give you the tolerance between your 3D printed parts. Thank you and have a great day.